students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Madhu. So my YouTube channel is Science Maths Academy 2023. In this YouTube channel you will get everything about class 10th math science. So tricky methods, old question papers will be solved, new question papers, new model papers will be solved. So everything will be get in only one channel. So please like my videos, share my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon. Any doubt is there, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. In this video now, let us name the following. So I have chosen most of these questions from metals and non-metals chapter. Now let us answer one by one. The first one is most malleable and ductile metal. So the most malleable and ductile metal is gold. Then coming to the second question, best conductor of heat and electricity, it is silver. So silver is the best conductor of heat and electricity. Then coming to the third question, that is which is the poor conductors of heat. The poor conductors of heat, one is lead, another one is mercury. So lead and mercury, poor conductor of heat is one is lead, another one is mercury. Now let us go for the fourth question, a liquid metal. So the liquid metal is mercury. Then coming to the fifth question, metals having low MP and BP. They are the metals, but usually all the metals will have high MP and BP. But there are two metals, their melting point and boiling point is very low, and they are, one is gallium, another one is cesium. So gallium and cesium are the two metals that are having low melting point and boiling point. Then coming to the sixth one, soft metals can be cut with knife. So which are the soft metals? Usually we know that the metals are hard, but some of the metals are soft and that metal can be cut with knife. They are lithium, sodium, potassium. So lithium, sodium and potassium are the metals that can be cut with knife. Then coming to the seventh one, a lustrous non-metal. We know that all the non-metals are non-lustrous, but this is a non-metal which is lustrous. A lustrous non-metal is iodine. Iodine is a lustrous non-metal. Then coming to the eighth one, it is a non-metal which is hard. Usually we know that the non-metals are soft, but this non-metal is very hard and having high MP and BP. But usually non-metals will have low MP and BP. A non-metal which is hard and having high MP and BP, that is diamond. Diamond is a non-metal which is hard, which is the hardest rock. Diamond is the hardest rock. Then having high MP and BP. Then coming to the ninth question, non-metal which is good conductor of electricity. We know that non-metals are poor conductor of electricity, but this is a non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity, that is graphite. So graphite is a good, it is a non-metal. Even though it is a non-metal, it is good conductor of electricity. Then coming to the 10th question, metals stored under kerosene. So name the metals which will stored under kerosene. They are high reactive metal. Usually, so we keep sodium and potassium under kerosene because sodium and potassiums are high reactive metal. They react readily with air and water. Since they react readily with air and water, they are stored under kerosene. Then coming to the 11th one, that is a liquid non-metal. Usually we know that the non-metals are solid, liquid, in all the three states it exists. But let us know which is a liquid non-metal. A liquid non-metal is bromine. So bromine is a liquid non-metal. So now let us see the 12th question. Now let us answer for the 12th one. These are the metals that reacts with steam. They react with steam, but they do not react with cold or hot water. They react only with steam but not with the hot or cold water. They are, one is iron, second one is aluminium, and the third one is zinc. So iron, aluminium, zinc, these are the three metals that reacts with the steam but not with the cold or hot water. Next, coming to the 13th question. So in the 13th question, metals will not react with air and water at all. They are the metals, but they do not react with air and water. One is gold, another one is platinum. So gold and platinum are the metals. They do not react with air and water at all. Then coming to 14th one. So metal will not react with cold water but react with hot water. This is a metal that react with only hot water but not with the cold water. That metal is called as magnesium. Magnesium is a metal that reacts with only hot water but not with the cold water. Then next let us see metals reacts with cold water. So which are the metals that reacts with cold water? Sodium, potassium. So sodium and potassium are the metals that reacts with cold water. Next, coming to the 16th question. So we have to give an example for amphoteric oxide. So example for amphoteric oxide is aluminium oxide and another one is zinc oxide. So these two amphoteric oxide you have to keep it in your mind. One is called as that is aluminium oxide, another one is zinc oxide. Next, coming to the 17th one, which are the allotropy form of carbon? The allotrophic form of carbon are, one is called as graphite. Graphite is a allotrophic form of carbon. Graphite, then diamond, and the third one is fullerenes. So these are the three allotropic form of carbon. Next, coming to the 18th question. These are the reducing agent which can displace metals of low reactivity. So the reducing agent which can displace metals of low reactivity is, one is sodium, another one is calcium, then another one is aluminium. Sodium, calcium, aluminium can be used as a reducing agent because they can displace metals of low reactivity. Low reactivity metal galanna displace ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Then coming to the 19th question, reducing agent which reduces metal oxide to metal. So usually the ores are usually they have oxide with them. So we have to reduce that metal oxide to metal. So which is the reducing agent that that reduces metal oxide to metal? That is carbon. Carbon, that is coke. So coke or carbon is used as a reducing agent. Then coming to the 20th question, an example for electrolyte. So electrolyte ke example you can take it as copper sulfate solution. So copper sulfate solution acts as a electrolyte. Next, coming to 21st question. So in that question, metal found in free state. So the metal that found in free state are, one is gold, another one is platinum. So gold and platinum are found in free state. Then let us move for the 22nd question. So 22nd question is an alloy of mercury. An alloy of mercury is called amalgam. Amalgam is a alloy of mercury. Then coming to 23rd question, it is a strong oxidizing agent. The strong oxidizing agent is nitric acid. That is nitric acid, HNO3. So HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. Then coming to 24th question. In the 24th question, brass is a mixture of dash and dash. So brass is a mixture of, it is a mixture of, one is copper, another one is zinc. So brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. Then bronze. Bronze is a mixture of one is copper, another one is tin. So it is a mixture of copper and tin. Then coming to the 26th question, a solder is a mixture of. So solder is a mixture of lead and tin. So these three are the alloys. So brass is a homogeneous mixture of copper and zinc. Bronze is a homogeneous mixture of copper and tin. And solder is a homogeneous mixture of lead and tin. So like this we have in related to metals and non-metals, we have listed some of these things, and in the next video let us see some more naming the following. So thank you very much.